Just put toothpaste on your kitchen knife and you're gonna thank me. I stopped spending money. That's right, everyone. If you have a knife at home that's totally dull, not cutting anything at all, you don't need to throw it away and buy a new one, okay? I'm about to give you an amazing tip to restore the sharpness of that knife, and also without spending anything. And for that, we're gonna use toothpaste. That's right. Here, I'm using this white one, but you can use whatever you have at home. Here's what you're gonna do. Apply a little toothpaste on one side of the knife, and then go ahead and spread it very well. Do the same on both sides of the knife. Apply it generously on one side, and then do the same on the other side. And why toothpaste, you may ask? Well, toothpaste contains some substances in its composition that, when rubbed together, it has a gray sharpening power, and I'm going to show you that. Let me just spread it really well. Alright, once that's done, let it dry for about 5 minutes. Very well, folks, after the time has passed, let's take a ceramic container. We're going to use the bottom edge of this container because it's quite rough. And that's gonna help a lot with this hack. You're also gonna need some coarse salt here. Take a little and put it at the bottom of the container, spreading it well. We're also gonna add white vinegar. Add a little bit of vinegar, not too much. And now, folks, here's the thing. We're gonna start sharpening it, but now listen carefully, because this part is very important. You're gonna go ahead and make a top to bottom motion and not back and forth motion. So make sure to make a top to bottom, alright? And you're gonna do this on both sides, okay? Alright, everyone, the process is complete. I did it about 20 times on each side, okay? Now, let's wash the knife and dry it very well. So folks, I've already washed it and dried the knife very well. Now, I'm gonna take a piece of paper and test to see if the knife is actually sharp. I'll fold it in half like this. And now, let's test it, shall we? And check this out, folks. Look at that. It's incredibly sharp. So, there you have it. For the knife that was basically lost. I'll have to throw that away in order to buy a new one. So, if you have a dull knife that's not cutting anything, don't throw it away. Try this tip, and I'm sure you're gonna love the result.